Hi, in the lush green beauty of the garden, we find and discuss about the blowfly. Blowfly belonging to the family Calliphoridae. The Calliphoridae are a diverse group of flies that are commonly associated with dead and decaying organic matter. They are notable for their iridescent coloring and importance in both medical and ecological context. The blowflies are easily identified by their metallic sheen and display colors such as green, blue, and black. They are medium to large size flies. The genus Lucilla, commonly known as green bottle flies, and the genus Califora, commonly known as blue bottle flies, are of the two distinctive groups within the family Califoridae. Blowfly exhibits specific morphological features that make them easily identifiable among other flies. Their physical characteristics adapted for ecological importance and their life cycle. The taxonomic classification of blowflies include kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Diptera, family Calliphoridae. The adult blowflies ranging from 6 to 40 mm in length. Their size depend upon the species and environmental condition during the development of the body. Adult blowflies have large compound eyes which are used for excellent vision in their surroundings. The eyes are usually reddish brown and occupy a significant position on the head. They possess short, three-segmented antenna with bristle-like arista that is used for sensing the environment signals. Adult blowflies have spongy mouthparts designed for efficient feeding on liquids. These mouthparts includes labellum, which is used to lap up the liquids. The thorax is robust and hairy and containing the muscles that is necessary for flight. Adult blowflies have two pairs of forewings. The second pair of forewings are reduced to halters that are used for with balance during the flight. They have three pairs of legs with tarsal claws and pelvolais, allowing them to walk on various surfaces, especially on the smooth surface. The abdomen is rounded and brightly colored with metallic hues that is similar to the thorax. The abdomen is a house of reproductive organs and digestive systems. Blowflies are cosmopolitan. They are found in a variety of habitats including urban, suburban, and rural areas. They are abundant in the places where decaying organic matter such as garbage and feces is present. Adult blowflies feed on a variety of substances includes nectar, plant sap and other substances, but they are particularly attracted to decaying organic matter where they lay their eggs. Their larvae primarily feed on decomposing animals' remains, where they play a crucial role in the breakdown and recycling of the organic matter. Blowfly exhibit a behavior that are closely related to their ecological role as decomposers and their life cycle. Adult blowflies are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They are most active during the warm and sunny conditions, which facilitate their flight and foraging activities. Blowflies are known for their strong and rapid flight capabilities. They cover considerable distance to locate for the food resources. They have excellent navigational capabilities, relying on visual cues and keen sense of smell to find decaying organic matter. Adult blowflies are highly selective where they lay their eggs. They are attracted to the scent of decaying organic matter, where they are ideal source of foods for developing larvae. Adult blowflies lay clusters of eggs. Single females lay hundreds of eggs in her lifetime. Mating behavior involves visual display and release of pheromones to attract mates. Male engage in territorial behavior where they can secure access to the females. Adult blowflies have short life cycle allowing for multiple generations in a single season under favorable conditions. Fertilization in blowflies is internal. Male and female engage in courtship behaviors includes visual displays and chemical cues. Copulation typically occurs shortly after the emergence from the pupal stage, and the females lay hundreds of eggs during her lifetime. Blowflies exhibit swarming behavior, especially around the food resources. These aggregations are driven by the smell of the food of the decaying organic matter and the pheromones released by the other females. Blowfly larvae compete for food resources, especially when multiple females lay their eggs on the same place. Medical importance of the blowfly larvae are used in maggot debridement therapy. In maggot debridement therapy, necrotic wounds are cleaned due to their ability to consume decaying tissue, while healthy tissues remains unharmed. Blowflies are crucial decomposers. They play a vital role in nutrient recycling by decomposing dead and decaying organic matter, which enriches the soils and support the plant growth. Additionally, they are important food resources for various predators like birds and small mammals. Blowflies also serve as a pollinator for certain plant species. Stay with us to learn quality knowledge with the thinkers of biology. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.